Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am super excited today to be doing an extra large fun box. Whoop, whoop. I don't know what could, I hope it really is a fun box. I don't know what could be in this really heavy box, but we're gonna find out in a few minutes here, so yay. It's been such a busy summer. I've been, only posting about once a week or a little bit more than that, but my husband and I got a boat. We found ourselves at the restaurants looking out at the boats and just going, we want one of those. Why don't we have one? And so we decided to make it happen because YOLO, and and we have been loving it. We just absolutely have been loving it. So anyway, I haven't had as much time, but fall is here now, and I have a lot more time then. All right, I was going to do a big purse sale today. So I'm gonna soon, very soon, I'm going to have a purse sale, and I bought a big lot of bags. I'm gonna do actually two things at the same time. I'm going to do a haul video. I got a bunch of purses from a friend of mine who's also a reseller, and she once thought she might like to sell handbags, but she never liked it. So she went into something else. She's kind of a glassware expert, and she just likes home goods and that kind of stuff, and I don't know anything about that stuff. But anyway, I bought them all from her. She gave me a great price, so I'm gonna extend that great price to you. But right now, let's do this fun box. All right, of course, it's always from Mechanicsburg. It's super heavy. I have no idea, and I just really hope sometime I can, yes, I'm gonna reach in. Okay, yeah, sometimes they leave it right on top like that. So it is a fun box. It's 10 items for $34, but then you get 10 items. Usually you get more than 10. Sometimes they'll put things in a bag together and call it one item. They're pretty generous with their items. And I love these fun boxes. Rare is the time that I don't get something good. My last couple boxes, I've gotten Kate Spade, and it's just wonderful. All right, here's the first look. Of course, there's not much there, but we're gonna go like this. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, okay. I don't know what's all there. Well, we got the packing pillow things. All right, well, let's just get to this. I can't really, I'm gonna put the box over there. All right, here is a duffel bag, and it's Pink Sports Athletic Club, running since 1986. Never heard of it. It's a brand new duffel bag. It's got a really, it's a canvas, bag. And I love pink and green together. Absolutely love it. So it's brand new. It's never been used. It's got a little netting on the side. And it's a barrel style. It's got a really nice liner in here too. Look at that. Green inside. I love it. It's really cute. The backside doesn't have any printing on it, but this would be great as a gym bag. It would be great as, I don't know, so many things. I would actually keep it as an eBay bag to tote back and forth to the post office, but this is not nearly big enough for my stuff. If you have one purse, that's a 12 by, 16 by 12 by 4 box, or a 12 by 8 by 4 box, depending. So, okay, what else do we have here now? We've got what is this? Okay, we have got underwear. I think looks like lingerie. Savage Fenty. Ooh, Savage Fenty. That is Rihanna's brand, lingerie brand. Some beautiful items. Look at that. It's a lace pair of underwear. Really nice. Still has the tag on it. So obviously that's really good since it's underwear. And what size do we have going on now? What size? Boy, they don't make it easy to. Okay, 3X. It says 3X. I don't know. Is this a 3? I don't know. Anyway, 3X is the size. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. If anyone wants them, they'll be for sale on here. By the way, I do, if you're seeing me for the first time, wow, I'm having a bad hair day. I'm getting it cut tomorrow, by the way. And anyway, I do sell for my video. Just to claim an item, send me an email to mystepstyle@gmail.com. I will send you a PayPal invoice. You don't need to have a PayPal account to pay with it. You can just pay as a guest if you prefer. And yeah, and I ship pretty quickly. So, and I will combine shipping. I always try and give you the best deal on shipping because I hate paying for shipping. I don't like it either, so I try and pay for part of your shipping. Okay, Case Mate. Case Mate. This is a, what feels kind of like, it's like a matte black acrylic. Is it a purse handle? Yeah, it's a purse handle. Oh my heavens. It's really cute. Look at that. It's got a little, I don't know if that's to put something in. I don't know. But it clips right here, so these would clip at either side of the bag. Case Mate. I don't know that name, but the little hang tag here says Case Mate on it. It's a purse strap. Oh my heavens, this is really nice. That's a really nice strap. I have no idea. I've never heard of this brand before, but I like the way it feels. It's like I said, it's kind of like it feels like a matte black kind of. Have you ever seen those matte black trucks? Ooh, I love them. I love the way they look. My husband hates them. Every time I see one, I'm like, I kind of want one of those. Okay, this hat is adorable. This is, look at this hat. Oh my gosh. It looks like a little fedora hat with some kind of, what is that color? Kind of a coralish, pinkish. Look at that. It is so cute. All right, you know I'm going to try it on. All right, let's see. Where's the side of it? Give you some look. Oh my gosh, it's cute. Do I need more hats? No, I do not. But this is 100% cotton. Wait, it was 100%? 50% cotton, 50% polyester, exclusive of decoration. So, yeah, it looks like in new condition. Again, it's got these cute little metal dividers. It's really, really nice. Okay, wow. Oh, this is great. What next? What next? All right, we got the Mucklucks going on. Muckluck socks. Size 8 to 10. 2 pairs of women's cabin socks. Mucklucks. Now, you might be thinking, oh, yeah, she must want to keep those since she lives in Minnesota. But you know what I'm going to say, right? If you ever watch my channel, you know I don't wear hot things like that. It must be the time of life that I'm in. But I don't wear hardly any socks. And I'm certainly not going to try and make my feet hotter than they already are. Okay. Anyway, so there they are. They're super cute. Mucklucks is a great brand name. It's kind of, got a grippy on the bottom there. So it says, cozy up your life, women's cabin socks. I bet these are not cheap to buy in the store. I don't know, but you get 2 pairs of them. There's the tag. And they're fuzzy. I don't know if that's not real. That's faux fur. It's not real fur. All right, so there's that. Pretty happy with that. Pretty happy. Now we've got the Stars Above size extra small / small robe. And Stars Above, I believe, is a Target brand. And here it is. It's just a satin robe. It looks brand new. It's really thin material. You can see. I mean, it's not a fuzzy one for the winter that's going to soak up all your water or anything. And then it has a belt that goes around it. It looks brand new. So that is. I'll try and get that up on the screen and get a picture of it so you can see what it looks like on. Alrighty. Next up is. Ooh, this is cute. What is this? Can't tell if there's a... Okay, this is a phone. It's just you put it around your neck and you carry your phone and maybe a couple cards in here. It's not real big. I don't know if it's real leather, and I don't know what... Okay, J. Crew. Ooh, cute. It's J. Crew, and I'm going to have to get a magnifying... I'm going to have to figure out... It does look like it's real leather, but I'm not sure. So you can put a card here. You can put your phone in here, and then maybe I can get in here and see... Oh, here. I just can't see whether it's... I can't get at the tag, so I'm going to need to use something else for that. This is really, really cute. It's black. It snaps. And then on the inside, it's got... Doesn't have any pouches or anything in there, but I'm going to have to find out for you whether it's real leather or not. But it's very cute. And I do think it is real leather. This definitely looks like real leather. So, and it's brand new. So loving that. Loving it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, what would we do without our good friend Maciso? Maciso. I got 2 things here, and I will probably be selling them as one. We've got the mouse pad with the wrist rest, and then we've got the padded. I guess this goes right in front of your keyboard, so you have somewhere to when you're typing, you know, it's like a wrist rest when you're typing. So I'll be selling these together as one. Masiso, you can find it on eBay, or not eBay. I don't know about eBay. You can find it on Amazon. And they sell computer stuff. I don't know if you call this a peripheral or not, but I used to get them all the time, but I thought Masiso was kind of done, but they've sprung back into the loop a little bit. They must have heard us resellers talking about it all the time and went, oh, we'll give them a break from that a little bit. Okay, Wolford, black, small, velvet control, Strumpfhose, tights. Strumpfhose means kind of nylons. Okay, they have a $60 price tag from Nordstrom. Look at that, or Neiman Marcus. $60 from Neiman Marcus. Size small. Here's a picture of what they look like. So I've never heard of Wolford. It seems like I maybe have, but if I have, I don't remember anything about it. But there it is. And then, yeah. So, wow. Wolford size small. Velvet opaque tights with light support. Samtig Weiche. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's written in German. I guess it's a German company. Wien, Paris, London. Wien means Vienna. So I guess it's a Viennese company. All right, that seems like a good find. I know I've never sold Wolford. Okay, couple more left. Oh, what is that? That's cute. And this is cute. This is adorable. This is I think it's a lunch. Is it a lunch bag? A lunch box? And it's got a price tag of $29, and it's called Doggy Bag Lunch Box. So cute. It's still got the tag on it, striped, and then I believe it's insulated on the inside. And it kind of folds out to be a little bit bigger. So cute. So if you take your lunch places, this might be the perfect thing for you. You can see the insulation in there. Yeah. So lovely. Let's see. And there we go. It folds to be a little bit thinner. So, all right. And then we've got, is it one more thing? Yeah. What in the world? This must have been what was so heavy. This is adorable. Omobolano. I don't know how you say that. It's quilted. I don't know if it's real leather, but it's really nice. And what is inside this thing? I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. Well, let's see. What is it? I don't know. LED travel mirror. Woo! Oh my gosh. This is great. Okay, so wait, not only that, this is insane. I've got this great case. It's a travel case. And it's got, I guess, I don't know what this is. It's got this little mirror. And then we've got the charger. And I believe then this is the this is an insert that goes in there. And then this is the lighted travel mirror, which is great. It's hard to show you that, but it's a lighted travel mirror. Probably need to put some batteries in it. I don't know what the magnification is, but it's got this in the back so you can set it where you want it. I don't know. I might be keeping this because I have a travel mirror that I can't see putting my makeup on unless I have a little bit of magnification. So I don't know. We'll see. This is really, really nice. I think this is what was so heavy in the box. It's a good travel case, but it is a little bit larger than I want to be carrying with me on trips. So we'll see. And I don't know, Omobolante, I don't know that name. Does anyone else? Here's what it looks like on the bottom and the sides. And it comes with all that stuff in it. It's great. It's great. Well, I was really, really happy with this box. I didn't get any hair supplies, any of that. I like having change. I even like the little change having that Masiso. So, okay, we've got the lunch box. We've got the Omobolante travel mirror and travel bags and such. The Mucklucks. We've got the Wolford tights in a size small. We've got the Masiso set of computer stuff. We've got the J. Crew. Oh, this goes in here. We've got the J. Crew phone case, great for going to concerts. We've got the size small satin robe. And we've got the purse strap, the acrylic matte black purse strap. We've got this beautiful hat with the cool gold little hardware in there. We've got this Savage Fenty. I always want to say, okay, so I wear Fenty makeup. So this is Fenty. My purple lipstick is Fenty, although the color's discontinued. But anyway, these are ridiculously cute. I can't even. They're so cute. Okay, anyway. And then last but not least, we've got this super cute duffel bag that reminds me kind of the 80s. I don't think it's from the 80s, but I think they made it look like that. Obviously, 86. Pink Sports 86 Athletic Clubs. So cute. All right, well, that is it. Again, stay tuned for the purse sale coming up. I'm going to have a lot of Coach. I have Kate Spade. I have, I have some Louis Vuitton and one Gucci item that I'm going to be selling at what I got for them. So, I'm going to be selling the stuff from Lisa, and then I've got some Louis Vuitton items and a Gucci item. So anyway, stay tuned for that. It'll be soon. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you to everyone who comments, watches, and all that on my videos. I super appreciate it. And yeah, all right. Have a great day.